Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and share the video with your friends. And yes, let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome. Today I am going to be doing this beautiful black midnight looking eyes that I cannot wait to try. I saw this and credits to this beautiful girl called Yami Angelina. Talented girl. But I saw that and I fell in love with it. I said I'm going to try it, and so here we are. I'm just going to start by highlighting. What I just used was the NARS Caramel Medium Dark 2 Concealer. I'm going to contour using the Fenty Beauty Espresso Match Stick. I'm going to bring that a little high. Up here, a little here. Real light on the nose. I'm going to start with the nose first. Slim up my face a little bit. I know I need to lose some weight though, seriously, like no joke. So now I'm going in with a little bit of a lighter shade. I am going to take medium dark from MAC, and I'm going to use that to set around everywhere else. And to bronze up my face, I'm using this Physicians Formula Endless Summer. And for my eyes, I'm going to go into this Zulu palette by Juvias Place. And I'm going with this color. I'm going to go in with Warrior palette. Blend these two colors together. And I'm going to put it here above my crease. I'm going to go back into the Zulu so I can get that reddish brown. This one, same brush, and buff the edge of this. Make sure we're well blended. ABH waterproof gel eyeliner, flat looking brush. My nose is itching, and I'm just going to use that on my lid. I don't want any black to go and mess up my face, so I'm just going to put this here. No issues. Going to set it with a black shadow. Okay, so now I'm just going to use the brush to buff the edges and soften it. And I'm going to take a smaller brush and go into this brown and just kind of diffuse the edge. Same for the bottom. Back into the Zulu for that touch of red. I almost feel like this black is not like really, hold on, let me come, y'all come forward. Not really popping, so I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette and use this black because I think it's really jet black. See that? I think that black is really black. Yeah, totally. I can see the difference. My crease. I need to put this black in my crease. Okay, I like that black better. You see that? Now for the fun part, glitter. I am going to use Marsk Syndney London eyeshadow, little tiny thing I got in Ipsy a while back. Back, it's like white shadow that's very pigmented. Ooh. Lashes I used was TYME the Infamous lashes. I bought this a couple of years ago. It doesn't have a number on it or anything. It just says TYME the Infamous. Loving this look. I will see you in my next video. Mwah.